Hi everyone! So here we are in the bedroom today, and we are trying to figure out what to do with this big blank wall behind me. Richard is behind the camera at the moment on your end.
Hi everyone!
And my idea for this wall was actually to put a large tapestry that would cover the whole wall like wallpaper. I've seen it many times in picture books, in magazines, and I just love the way it looks. However, we are on a budget, as you know, and we have to work with what we have. So you may recall an earlier post where Richard mean-spiritedly took a picture of me in a sea of boxes. Well, in that moment, I actually realized we had perhaps the perfect piece, a painting, a triptych that our friend out in Los Angeles painted for us, and I want to give it a try. Let's see how it looks. Hi everyone, so here we are again. Richard's putting the finishing touches on the chest, and we're very excited.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, don't you like it?
Yes.
Let me pan across the room. As you can see, it's directly across from the bed, so now instead of looking at a blank wall, we can look at a magical painting that our friend Roxane Berger painted for us out in Los Angeles. I can't wait to show her. It looks great there, I think, Richard.
Yeah, I do too.
Well, we hope you enjoy your day as much as we've enjoyed putting this together today. Hope there's magic and wonderment in your lives. And we look forward to showing you more videos in the future. Take care.